Hello everybody out there in steam engine loving land. This is the old man doing stuff in Prattville, Montgomery, Alabama. And I've just about got steam up on this right here. I have added aluminum foil, as you see in this smaller unit. Aluminum foil definitely helps when you're burning sterno, which is what I'm using, is green sterno. Holds it in there better. This is a suggestion from one of the members on Facebook on this site right here, which was awesome. So as you can see, I've got some bubbling going on, and let's see if we got, I'm oiled up. There we go. She's trying to turn a little bit. Let me get that. There'll be some water in there. Kind of locked up. There we go. They don't like to run on water. They like to run on the steam. Definitely have a, there we go. Get that condensate, excuse me, that water out. I'm utilizing my sterno a lot better now that I put this foil in there. There we go. Got the governor working like we like it, but my little cable on there, I'm gonna have to order some of those. Turn it up a little bit. That reminds me of a train so much. Basically, that is a train, a stationary train in a way, driving one train wheel. Still got a good boil. Turn it down a little bit. I like this little adjustment wheel. And you got a little add oil right here. I use steam oil I had bought for that part there, and inside this piston, and start out on all those metal to metal surfaces. So I'm going to do this run, and then I'm going to shut her down. I'm going to shut it down here just for a minute. Let it build up some pressure. Should still be burning in there pretty well. I filled it up. I'll tell you, these are pricey. The bigger you get. There's a lot of them that have one of these built right here. Some of them you can add on a pressure gauge. These things get a lot bigger. But this is pretty much satisfies me to get out and do what I want to do with it. I'm just amazed at the old technology that this company started making, and other companies started making. She's trying to. Still got a little bit of a boil, not enough to make her run though, like we like it. Just trying a little bit. Just wanted to share. You guys take care. Got about a 5-minute video here. That's enough. Facebook doesn't like them much longer than that. Having a lot of fun with little steam engines. Montgomery, Prattville, Alabama. November 2024. Adding aluminum foil to the burners. Did the trick. Y'all take care.